Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to delete project on Clockify. So let's start first by opening your Clockify or login with your existing Clockify account. After signing in to Clockify, go to Time Tracker, and in order to delete the project that you want to delete, kindly click the three dots on the right side of each project. And after clicking it, it will give you two options, to duplicate or to delete it. And to delete it, kindly click Delete. And it will lead us to this question if you are sure to delete the entry. So if you want to delete it, kindly click the red button or delete. And after that, the time entry has now been deleted. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to delete a project on Clockify, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.